Inflewence here, and today I got the budget-friendly smart glasses.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Now these are similar to the Metas, and there's a million different pairs. They have a bunch of different pairs. I picked the cheapest one I could find just so I could test it and see what it do. It's not bad for the price. Now it's not going to be as good as Meta. It only has a 1080p record for video, and it says 2K pictures.
Subscribe.
Y'all be the judge. I'll show some pictures on the screen of stuff that I took. I'll take a picture right now. So that's how you take a picture. You just hit this front button. There's two buttons on the top. There's a slide touch thing where you can double tap and tap to play music, and you slide it up and down. It connects through Bluetooth through your phone. So you slide it up and down to turn it up or down, volume. Like while you're scrolling on your phone, whatever you can do on your phone with the video and like sound, you can hear it through the glasses. And that's pretty cool if you don't want, say, earbuds in your ear or something. So that works well. It gets pretty loud. You're not going to be sitting in a place of business or something and have these on and people will hear it. Like it's not discreet at all because it's just an open speaker going into your ear. It's like speakers like right here, and it just directs right into your ear. Even at the lowest setting, I put it on the table just to see if I could hear it, and you definitely can hear it. So there is an app for it. You do have to be connected to the app. I'll show you around the app for a second. It is a basic app. It has an AI built in. It has an album. You go to your album and you import like whatever videos and pictures you've taken. You can import. I'm not sure how much memory's in here. So it does come with a carrying case. I didn't see how much. It comes with 2 sunglass lenses. It did say that these were transitional, but I don't think they are. I tried in the sun. It didn't do anything. It did look like it got a little shade or a little darker maybe, but they are polarized to help with the blue light. So that's good. You get clean cloth too and some directions. But it's not hard. Like I said, there's a million of these glasses on Amazon. They're all built different companies. You know how that go on Amazon. There's a bunch of different clone items that different companies get in bulk, and then they just put their name on it. So that's pretty much what these are. You can get them. You can find them different places for different prices depending. But I have a link in the description that'll help out the channel, of course. Now, the negatives to this, like it does what it does. It records video. It looks okay. Like I said, it's 1080p video. It's not 4K or 2K or any of that. Pictures are supposed to be 2K. The assistant doesn't always give me what I need, but sometimes it does. This over here is the light. Now don't be a creep and cover that light up. I see people asking about that. I don't know why you would want to do that. That's creep behavior. You're covering this light up so they can't tell that you're recording. But the camera's over here, lights over here. That's typical for all of these glasses, even the Metas. There's one camera. There's not 2. People get it confused. This is just a light. So when I record video, you double tap. Then you hear it bink, and you should see the light on here. And it's now recording. There's also a light right here inside that you can kind of look over and see, and you can tell if that blue is blue. So you can tell if that blue light is on. And sometimes you can, I'm sure some people would see it better than others, depending on your face, because it is one size fits all. Let me stop recording. So now you're done recording, and you can go into the app and import that video if you wanted to. So now let me see if the AI features work. Some of them. This AI happens to be cyan. And there's a lot of glass that uses this. I assume it's some, random AI, maybe in China or something. So let me see. Hey, Cyan. You hear the little beep. What am I looking at? It started to give me more and it just stops. That happens a lot. Like if it's too long, like it'll give you the beginning. I'm not sure how much you heard, but it said I'm looking at a collector's room. They had what it was wrong. They was like model kits or whatever, but they look like model kits, the Transformers. Basically what it's doing is taking a picture of whatever you're facing and then putting it into the AI, and the AI is deciphering it. It's nothing, no different than, say, having a picture of yourself, putting it in AI and saying, what's this? It's just easier. You can just say what it is. So let me see if I can do the weather. Hey, Cyan, what's the weather in Florida? It said it's not working right now. So I run into that sometimes. It could just be what it is. I don't know. Or location data might be not up to par. I did give it permission. I don't usually give stuff permission for my location, but I gave permission just to see for the test, and it still messes up sometimes, even when I ask for the weather here. So the AI is give or take. It's not 4K. I would like 4K footage. Sometimes I do use 1080p footage, so that might work. You can see it doesn't work that great in low light, which most cameras don't. I mean, varying degrees depending on the camera. But a lot of smaller sensors, this is a small sensor, so a lot of smaller sensors need a lot of light to be good. But you can see outside photos that I've taken when it was light, and it's still, still kind of grainy somewhat. But it is what it is, especially at the price that you're paying, and you got to put all that into the factor. And this is even cool to have, to say if you want to get the metas and you're like, I don't know if I want the metas, if I'm gonna be able to wear them on my face. I assume this is, I haven't seen the metas in person or handled them or anything. I mean, that would be not seeing them in person, but I haven't seen them. I've only seen them on videos, but they look comparable to the metas, like the way the size. I'm not sure if the weight is comparable, but these are very light. And my normal glasses are a little bit smaller than these, but they're not bad. Like it's not a bad thing. It's not a hindrance. You can see it's just, I think, a style difference. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see these are a little less. These are a little more bigger, more rounder. Not really the style of glasses I would wear, but it doesn't look terrible. Let me put it that way. And these aren't as thick as I thought they were. Like looking around, I can still, there's a little bit of blind spots, but it's not that terrible. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. I'll get over with y'all in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.